Starting your first online store can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The right e-commerce platform makes setup easy, removes the tech headaches, and helps you focus on selling. After testing many options, here are my top 5 e-commerce platforms for beginners. At number 5 is Square Online. If you want to get a site live fast with no upfront cost, Square Online is a great option. It's simple, mobile-friendly, and works especially well if you're already using Square for in-person sales. Number 4 is Big Cartel, perfect for artists, creators, and hobby sellers. Big Cartel is lightweight, easy to use, and lets you sell up to 5 products for free. It's ideal if you're just starting out with a small inventory and want a clean, no-fuss experience. Coming in at number 3 is Wix e-commerce. Known for its drag-and-drop editor, Wix gives you total design freedom without writing a single line of code. With hundreds of templates and built-in marketing tools, it's great for creative entrepreneurs launching their first store. At number 2 is Squarespace. It's elegant, beginner-friendly, and offers some of the best design templates on the market. Squarespace also includes tools for blogging, email marketing, and selling both digital and physical products, all in one place. And number 1, Shopify, the gold standard for launching an online store. Shopify's setup is incredibly beginner-friendly, with themes, apps, and 24/7 support to guide you at every step. It's powerful enough to scale with you as your business grows, but simple enough to launch your first product today. No matter your niche or experience level, these platforms are designed to help beginners launch with confidence and sell with ease.